Good morning. Northeast Window News Analysis ta mayam punamakpu taramna okchari. Ngasi pause singda phongba pau khara khananabagidamagta ekhoigi studio sida lengsinduna leibiribasi pabung potchangbam Sonamani Socio political commentator ni pabung butaramna okchari pabung
Tajida
Thagachari pabung ngasi di pauche ambada phongnari ba pauche singdagi ekhoi lokhatchabada ekhoigi IDP sing internally displaced persons sing thawai hingnaba niraga amadi laikai dukandagi sotlaga sidanaba nongmagi chara chaba yauhore haiba pau report yauri aduga ekhoi DC gi maikaidagi phongdorakpada bill voucher matam chana piraklabadi chakthung phangbada thengtharoidabani haiba DC gi site tagi su phongdo pirakli aduga ekhoi gi IDP gi site tagi na nongmada lupa chama na hauziki matamda mi hingba yarabra haibagi ekhoi IDP singi ekhoi yamna nungai taba paudam adune oza pabung ado ekhoi chahi ani fajalakadore manipur da leiriba kanu se issue se sina maram oraga yam atuki matik asi ana kya amasu nangkhre lising humpu gi matakta hujik se ekhoi relief camp sing da changja pham lauduna leiribani aduda lakchaning abdi pabung ekhoi internally displaced person sing sigi marai bakse kanana lepi gadori bano haibaduni pabung da lakchaning libase
Tajida ahamba da do thachari notice window stop su aina thachari malim tabiri province na kok nanjari laibak thibani manipur haibse ko laibak thibi particularly handi matang na tamdali ba khoi ngata se laibak thibi ngata na taagre aduna mase yamna nuaite thamo yamna soi isagi iram dam da matam mamada khoina ning tam lepak ko na palamba akhoi lepak siga 𝐀𝐍𝐀𝐋𝐘𝐈𝐒 terrorists amadi illegal immigrants mayam na mapam marang khangdadana paisalaktana mayam punmusna thawa sahogdaba yam na mkhoi yam laina khalluba yam na kari haina khoigi kari matam akai bi thok to reaching gi mina yam chamna khalluba digi isai khong isana thangna danjanwa digi isagi iramdam ning tam lepa kol madi mi minai oni India da muchang po tanjada ngasi di mi minai ta natana ngasi di 𝐀𝐍𝐾𝐋𝐿 terrorists or illegal immigrants ki mokhoi minai na khoi leide moina phaning muta phabo moina toning muta toba masi puna mangase bharat sarkar mamit usallaga leiba asi puna masa khangna praja mayam leiba khoi mayam singshina bharat sarkar haibra tabi daba lobi daba jangbi daba sin usilakto ding ngase khoi kok ta phamaga mokhain amangba phaidaba hobani IDPs and thoiba se masi marai bak jam thiba masagi manamdamda ngasain hajugiba ningtam lepa kamunda maramdamda leijabada masagi lamdubu mina laiba 𝐀𝐍𝐾𝐋𝐿 tin kang singsina makoisina laga mkhona phajallaga phujallaga pharaga mai thadana mai makai tanthokpidana hatokpidana chellalaga IDPs scam mayamda leiba sibu bharat sarkar amadi manipur sarkar ngasi bawsamanungda matik chana mapung phana makhoigi award pasal ko se karino haibese mona jenghen morning amdri khanna jengbiu isagi jumda leijaba haise lupa cham tang chani tang tingjerbasu plastic ki na jumdo kharaga tawruga leijerba isai jumni isagi ka akhoi kangthon macha ma tharga phi macha ma thar mon ma thar hipadi isai yum nungai be phangbo do IDPs scheme da jail da thamaga tumningai litaba nupa ne kalai tungmani nupi ne kalai tungmani ana ek mayam hojilakpa amang sang lerik taba mapan thopam lerik taba nupi lerga nupa da manak ta lebin tumba ya da bo khotpa chani thania lerik to migo de bhikhani ne chabagi bhapta lehen ma chakam kuina akhoi na manipur sarkar na lehen ga dorino kayam kuina bharat sarkar na sumain tawna thamgadorino adu matakta akhoi gi tamukte representative chaliba manipur di chaliba manipur lenga puribanga se di his excellency governor ma se tumin leibi jaroi ma se kuire tha ni hum sujale ma masu jamna proactive na thabak tawgudabani adu manipur prajamayam INDIA particularly forget about the BJP is a completely lower moi ma punsi lower bani BJP de mina kana thajar roi makoi matam ni tholi punam adle riba BJP shu sigale riba BJP shu amatani moni jengbu su ngamoi ngam khara honan madisu hitu pura loi gre moi sarkar tum gre aduna past is past haji governor da kun hangachga dori se kar main to km kuin IDPs ki miyo sing shibu jail da pharat thambadi kharo freedom kharabu leiri ne mai ka tongan tongan moi leibani nupai ka tongali nupi ka tongali bathroom tongali mai makhong tongali sida IDPS leibase ko tongangari number dona shukta ko chapu da tongangari namchal khongpang na net laga tawraga ngari shemga mada ko madam ko mamai da khumjal laga tha taruk tha ter ki matung da lepak ta phumurga puthoga tongangari jon madong ne jon mad sibu min khangi sibu kayam ko khanga de Bharat Sarkar hajite Bharat Sarkar ki mahut Rajyapal sahab na pure Rajyapal sahab na poob se, can I bring it to his kind attention to his excellency? How long this that displays people, how long they should rotate, how long that they should be kept and confined in such a way where they cannot breathe properly. Adan tawdi pula mangasama Manipur lenga khajiti government of India na pura banina Rajyapal sahab na se jangham thoi aduga district administration yamne careful ni jengbiu particularly disease nakoi myam phadani jengbiu Makoy na wana lady koli pul mahiti no koy natakta ministry amata later banina your control command and control is the governor his excellency you have a direct accessibility to the governor mo the makoy awana pul masi hani jengo forget about your other paraphernalia all disease this is my request to you ngasidi you are very powerful na government makhad le muta you are handicapped you are powerless we know but today you have been empowered so many power now you exercise fully that your power given to you, attributed to you. IDPS lady Punamukse Social Welfare Department gi so Padani Jingbi adu so not sufficient enough. IDPS lady Misha Bikhani Minate. Apna desh mein hame pradesh banaya haidana. Nampu the Moisu Labi Yadav the Manipur government protection Pivagam Daba backed by the government of India to the Chin Cookie Jo terrorist support Torga, Mokoi Injalaga, Manipur the Libamati, Punamasama, Iram the Tantoga, IDPS, the jail, Dono Tamaga, Tamiba said, this is intolerable. This is not acceptable. This is not at all. This is not at all a very convincing reason that you say that we give food. Moichana Tangna Piri Karipiri in a coina. How I jail the people don't know Kanugi line the leper Mamitopi or Tadran, Lakpati, Krorpati Jau, Mingatani. You look after government very seriously. Much neglect to Buyaro, no idea. IDPS and Torvising she, Marabuk Tibangatani, it may happen to anybody, government of India. You are blind. You have not taken any serious view on this, particularly the Valley people, government of India. You are biased. Masako Yaning. Asumain to the Shak Bikhani, but don't Torga, Meti community, never we were a beggar. Like the many beggars, lakhs and the crore beggars, we are not like that, nor we will be. But we cannot beg in this manner. We are a glorified people. We are respected people. Manipur government, you should look into it. Chief Secretary, I request you. Now you have to look after it. Governor may be very busy. We know. He is all in all. But Chief Secretary, that you are all paraphernalia, you are all other officers, particularly districts, officers. You must give the proper order to see to it that IDPS people, these victims, people are being looked after well. Hai bisum ta aham first round thamjege
thagachari pabung mathang da lak chaning bedi khoi work for amendment bill sigi matang da lak chege huje pabung handak lok sabha amasung rajya sabha na mathang pass tawraba matungda President na ayaba pibadagi ekon duna chatna halaglaba work for amendment bill bo Chief Minister Oiramba Birena support tawi hai khibadu maitai pangal singbo hantana yengbani hairaduna akanba mong da condemn toba tongan ma mai kai kya amadagi ya daba yaning daba kya amaso hujikse pabung Manipur da amasung Manipur di mapanda bill asigi mayok da khoigi protest kya ama tawnari Muslim minority singi right sing matpi bani amadi Muslim sing da direct attack tawbani haibana chingba tongan ba kholau kaya lawna duna protest kya am tawnari pabung bill sigi matang da kari pabung gi oiba mot
jingview India is a democratic country ne India is a secularism da leibani India the first kadungas Muslim or Hindus or Christians or mas Buddhists or khogi ashine have se leite moina talakpa demand Waqf board ki government of India ki haibam thoba khar lei mare adi mohi mayam puri ba singse se mone tawri ba se government of India khar handmally interference tawi haibi ke mong se tawi adu bu yam na lubati India de se tawri ba se kanani chumi chum de cha jibo Supreme Court mo khoi chake dori chat pa phei Supreme Court is supreme ni at the government haibi se majority na MPs mayam na tawraga ahamada Lok Sabha then very powerful lobby amaleri Rajya Sabha mathangda Rajya Sabha this anima passed okay. Then one it has become an act. masi ek chidi government of India na masi damo handoe adu hajik Supreme Court na sorry okay work board ke mayam puna masa all India the whole way education puna masa na makoi dharma de khud thingile puna hai makoi ne khangi kada wa masi kai di Bharat Sarkar na se masi munne khangi adu moi Supreme Court moi chakadori I wish them all the best those in the Supreme Court ta kanani chumi chum the Supreme Court the Prime Minister khang the President khang the achum masrum kha hair khigani adu matam kharta ngai resi adubu masi dharma gi amuram da mayan phajana luna khanba se khut thingjelakpa malena lori base masi chumi chum the Supreme Court let the Supreme Court decide it kuidi kuiro nga sin nong ni samanungda adu masi tena ina haji gadaba dharma gi di masi katang freedom piba ketang koi Muslim mayam khangdi Hindu khangdi koi Indian wana say okay Indian subcontinent the Pakistan lene Pakistan koi manawa jati Pakistan de koi han Muslim man hare kani koi ma hai de kedon so Pakistani so de Pakistani han hai gani India de liba Muslim mayam se kedon so koi de Muslim Indian hai di yam phajaba amana koi de Indian ne hai to Pakistan gum de chapasin koi de Pakistanis ni koi de han koi Muslim ne han hai India de dhum leita bani na koi moi chakor prajam kheni the Supreme Court level na so in the Supreme Court order mama in a favorable order P Vijab chance Lee Hibase, but the government of India could think Suya Roy, the no need to ngai but I have a similar Tamjan gay.
Tagachari Pabu, Matanga, I could Gujarat ki Ahmadabad, Jatariba, Marfu Marisuba, AICC All India Congress Committee ki session da MP Dr. Angomcha Bimol, Akoijamna, Manipurgi Wafam Kea Pukaladuna International Issue Oriba Manipurgi Wafam. Asi BJP na India gi state na tabagumna na thaiduna thammi haibana jingba tongan mahaki wafam sing phongdok khibase pabung pukhajarake international issue oiriba Manipur gi wafam asi BJP na thaiduna thamli lengak chalairiba singi khutta Manipur miyam gi I tairabani haibasi kauthok loidabani amasung Manipur gi wathok India lengak na lumna laude haibana jingba aikhogi ama Mahana Pungdo Kibo from Atopa Madasu Kogi, PM na Malem gi Laivak sing Koirabasu Irang Tokliba Manipurda Amukta Lak Taba Asi, Irang Siga Marila in a day tak pani, Hibana Ching, but Tongan Mamahaki Wafam sing Pungdo Pidosa, Pabu Kari Habining.
Tajida, right thing you have asked me. I appreciate you. Jangbu Manipur has a kind of particularly belly deliver which Punja Charaga, Pulim, Karakoy, Kola Hara, Bokolo Jago, Savo, Copa, Drama, Kratoba, Chakchan, Bukarakobo, Corpo, a Shepura Luponeque. Manipur has Shani, Shana Quay Lamjakon, some 10 bunny. Kilometer Mangatara de Kone Henning deba. Jirika se Loy Tawa don Kalamba. Mau Manam was a honey young bidaba. Ukruli Rekasa honey young deba. Only politically makoi masagi vote benge tamakta moigi chin kuki jo terrorists mayam illegal immigrants poran bus porak pas mamang de palambal lainga ki mayam purum le porak pani makone silence is concerned mamang de chehi kunthar ni pujang khidi laibe sing nongni da mi lak ma lak taruk lak panati tajida it has been pouring right from the 5-6 decades onwards mamai government kari thong leramge this Congress government then other government what did you do? You are solely responsible to bring all these illegal immigrants. Nakoi matamdani aya matarumba adu chumi adugi matungda chahi taruk palamba Mr. Birena palami mai matamdasu kharlama su jai shoidan madudi noine khangi adu masi chin kuki jo mayam ne chahi yang ki humbu sing se mone taruk pase illegal immigrants mayam pusalakpa sa hanadi jenghong daba to wadi ngasi akoi mayam isa gi lang isa na thak pani masi replied the previous government let it be the what is called Janta government or MPP government or Congress government or BJP na koi mayam chen masi reply masi prajada pi gidawne Nakoi na nasagi lamdi nasai constituency ki noini hendraga the ladiba jiri the ladiba mau maram the ladiba kamjong the ladiba perjol the teti lady puna muksina district administration me MLA singsiga manaraga Aadhaar card 7 ba electoral photo identity card 7 ba Mizoram the same ga pa Bangladesh ram de laiba Myanmar de lai puna musse Mizoram de thamanga taruk se tuition tawraga adi Aadhaar card se me electoral photo identity card se me address the Mizoram pire taruga Jol the Chanpur, Jiri, the Tajal, Boro Bekta, Choto Bekta, the Tajal Laga. Like Punamu said, district administration with the collaborations with the ministers and ex-MLAs, Nakoimia Manaraga. And of course, final approval was given by the Manipur government. nakoi nasagi vote bank jegbai tamakta huran ba pairan ba chin guki jo terrorist ba laga the Myanmar the MP on ba laga si MLA on ka left na khoi siga leiri ne. Who is responsible? Manipur government. You all the previous government, are you not responsible of irresponsible? Nakoi natra. Ngasi nakoi na mu yam lemba saradana BJP government amu accusation tauba BJP su mo su mathak ji hujur haire khormad na ta crime tarum dabadina both are equal. Horopodi nakoi mamang le lenga purumba mayam nakoi ne taur mani noina. Jiri bo su nakoi chaning daba jiri de chin kuki jo da lam tap tan hone pishan ba ate te mafam se lo ni pishan ba tamdar se no ne pesakar phangena lo ni pishalam punama. You all people, you are cruel. Nakoi pap chel bunne papi gaktani nakoi na land settlement revenue department punamak lo in Manipur the valley min lo payung aktani nakoi na pesa mem low suma inter toram punam ngache pomang pungtum tomedo ngasi nakoi tumin chen ba jabro INDIA nakoi kari tamak to only BJP government ngangwi jabro. Are you also not responsible of irresponsible? Nakoi mem chen lo in Manipur so tat pani ngasi de no konseng oi konseng no ngang de yaro ko taning de. All parties are responsible of irresponsible. Yes, this young man, Mr. Bimol and Mr. Alfred, Mokoini se Congress tegi lakpani. BJP Pam Devdi Congress Thade. Yes, we appreciate you. We knew that you will come up, you will win it, but you are doing well. Okay, Thagali. Nasi, particularly, especially Mr. Bimol, followed by the Alfred, both my brothers. I salute you. I appreciate you. Nakoi lirum dabatar the Manipur siga Bharat ki manung the Manipur li have khangju khangam moine. You BJP people, you open your eyes. You learn from these two young men. Ngasi, Mr. Bimol, he may be arrogant in his speech. He may be aggressive. Go on, Mr. Bimol. If you were not in this as a member of parliament or the Manipur has a Manipuri karai de legi hainang money. Bharat Sarkar ne mamit ushalla tawri pulma time and again. You pointed out. We agree. We request you to, you should be more aggressive in words, not by any other forms. Adu nang leibagi adum le tobiwe tamakta Manipur se world lei have jami. Jami Bharat Sarkar time and again I raise up. I am a small fry. I Manipur citizen amatta a senior citizen. Tholi Bapunamo se chin kuki job support Torumba under the cover of so many other channel the Torumis Bharat Sarkar he was solely responsible. I will say time and again I brought it. At the cost of my life. Many people they warn me that some people are trying to hook you, this thing, that thing. I said to go to hell. You all BJP. Why your mouth is shut? You open your mouth. Manipur mache tawase BJP no khuri yawro idra. Only Congress ngata putho si jabro. No BJP no khoi Manipur natro. Why you remain silent? No khoi na torumadi ngase pong manghala manatro. Ngasi Congress mana no le muis mui maran yam na lei. Anyway at this juncture, Mr. Bimol, you go ahead. People are with you. Not the Manipur a triple or PT population din natte. 142 crore people are watching and the worldwide watching it. You bring it this issue. Mr. Narendra Modi is not the Prime Minister of Manipur. Mr. Amit Shah is not the Home Minister of Manipur. They are the Home Minister of India. We are alienated from India. So we are made to feel that we are non-Indian. Am I wrong, Bharat Sarkar? Definitely not. Nakoi sangjerak pase nakoi nampud lotion money. Nakoi why you are ill-treating us? How you have forgotten that you are an independent country? We are independent. We got independent before you, 2 years before. Previous government, all governments related with Congress or BJP or any other government, you are also Manipur the solely responsible. Me makong to paiba, me with the hijab with the needle lakpa, you cannot flex your muscle. Why don't you behave? Just few days before I have listened one speech, the reply by the Conrad Sangma. He is a minority, but he is commanding the Meghalaya. How he replied in such a conducive atmosphere, in a plausible explanation. Should I not learn from him, Manipur leaders? Yes, maya mamang the kanito we hide in Abu, Bharat Sarkar the Manipur picture Manedo, Makumpai Lonjagadro, Matang the Kui Alexander Porugi Bhapta Lakse, poru pickable lamdu ningthog bachao rasa Alexander mat prithvi joy to la mafam de bana hai hidana you treat me as good as you hai ridana nang namang de lepe nang kai di natte I am a king in my own island I be treated like you a king hai na hai dana ngase Manipur le nang sa mem kadai chakrage kari na khoi tumin le kari gino. So I appreciate Mr. Bimol, you go ahead, all people are with you. Mr. Alfred, don't forget you're also from the Congress the group. Now both of you play this pivotal role. Manipur's map se prithvi damna khanglamu, let the Bharat go to hell or go to dock, we are not worried. Madam the Bharat Sarkar na khoi jengbi da base akhoi bu namtha na tham base henman gre da mase di Manipur praja me amna khoi tumina leri kari gena mase club me the shame lon press conference to botum ngang botum hai mapan din mo thokte kari tamak ta ki Rajyapal sahab this chakna hai damni sir this is not being done, this should be done like this. Why you don't flex your muscle hai ke damni governor daso if need be hai ke damni nonje busu nonje gani request to guni kaidore ke lambi thong thingani and governor hangdon gani haire governor hangdon mangamdre then he has miserably failed. He failed means Bharat Sarkar you failed. Bharat Sarkar you are good for nothing for Manipuris. You are good for the 𝐀𝐍𝐀𝐋𝐘𝐈𝒄 terrorists. Makoy din hone saugat pani na ngarang nahan dasu Mizoram degi Mr. Banlen ko kana khong de Rajya Sabha ki MP ma Mizoram gi ada Myanmar da tharaga mon Bharat Sarkar mogi manungi geopolitics game sanan beli adu mat to wudi laldo ma chief minister free una tharaga akhoi ben khongpang ne thab akhoi chief minister da akhoi government khongpang ne therba you all people Manipuris people, you all other community people, why you remain silent? This is the time to flex our muscle and to tell the truth to the government of India. Am I an anti-Indian by saying that? Definitely not. I am an Indian, out and out. But we will fight for, as an Indian, our justice to be given to me, the fundamental rights given to other community be given to me too. Hai ba khoi tham ngadabni kaito diga shwan do khun ne than lei gedor no mase nuaite mone tawning mata tawba popular minister lo thoga ra ko ki governor Pierre Thari, yes governor that he is a Rashtradur, he has to come, we salute him governor, yeah he is doing his job, but it is not enough, he is alone. The Manipur with different political parties, why you don't come under one umbrella and you fight for justice for Manipur? Is that only the Mr. Bimol? Is that only the Mr. Alfred to say on behalf of the 45 lakhs people and to fight this 𝐀𝐍𝐾𝐈𝒄 terrorism? No. This is not the way. We all people, we should wake up and democratically we should fight it and we should tell the truth. Adu Bharat Sarkar to receive Sukkabi to reach any Henator Pasamokun Sogotpadi, Monisogotpadi, Nasi, Akushi Yorokpani. Then we become an anti-Indian. You made us anti-Indian. Bharat Sarkar, you are solely responsible. Nuaite, Nohine Toribase, Ming Sungayade, Akutumina Levi Sungayaroi, peacefully will move forward. Have some Tamjagi.
Thagachari Pabung, Matang the Lakjage, Defense Minister of State Sanjay said Manipur da Lagtuna, border fencing Kabagi Tabak Yang Sinkre, Kamzong da Ahing Yarik Tuna, security ki Matang the Kanagadori, Habini. Pabung Mahana Infal, Airport Tung Labadai, BJP MLA Singna. Airport Harau Taram na Okpagaloina, I could MLA Singa Unaduna, Lamdam Asigi, Tongan ba, Isu Singi Matang the Suwari Sanaki, Aduga, Ikugi Maru Oina, Kari Karamba, Akupa Wari Sanaki, Amazon Kanaki, Hibagi Tangdang, but the Kangbangandri, Pabung Mahaki concert a say Kamani Ying Bay to Punto.
Jimmy Tajida, India government have say, Kar Muktrabadi Yadene. Manipur praja में हम तभी उन्हें ऐसे तम ठीक रहे स्टेट का याद ऐसे लेरक पने नहीं इशू खरे मुक्त बदी याद देने जी हुजूर है वैसे ने याद देने नोई नुपा थो उन्हें भारत सरकार मणिपुर गवर्नमेंट से नुपा थो उन्हें तो उन्हें है तमुक तो उन्हें FMR के तमुक तो जे खाबे तमुक तो why you should come all along from Delhi? Your government of India that she has given order, it should be implemented if you are willing to do so. Natana kayarak chelamina nonjagani si khagaria khaganura khabajabra jadabar. Is that the consent that you want to seek from the people? You are governing the India. Whole country belongs to you. What make you to come to Kamjong or what makes you to come to Imphal A often again? You wanted to execute, you execute it. If you cannot, you drop it. Why you are making all this kind of drama? Under their whim, if you are to act, then you sit in Delhi, don't come to Manipur. Why? Your weakness is being completely blown up. If you are to FMR, if you are to execute it, you do it. No, this be done. Home Minister ने क्या रखा है? This will be done. This thing, that thing. कहाँ चलेगी? कहाँ गए आपके बातें? Home Minister जी, गृह मंत्री जी, परम पूजनीय गृह मंत्री जी, आपको बातें, आपको वादे कहाँ गया? फिर आप जैसे यूनियन मिनिस्टर भेजो, वो क्या करेंगे? और लोकल पीपल बोलेंगे नहीं सर ये आप नहीं कर सकते, तो आप सुन करके आप चुपचाप आप चले जाएंगे हवाई जहाज में। फिर आप जाके बोलेंगे सर हमने बहुत कोशिश की, माने नहीं, तो फिर आप क्या करोगे? आपका आदेश कहाँ चला गया? आपका ऑर्डर कहाँ चला गया? आपका BRTF कहाँ चला गया? आपका असम राइफल कहाँ चला गया? आपका आर्मी कहाँ चला गया? आपके संविधान का आपका एक कहाँ चला गई? ये सब कानूनी कहाँ चला गया? जो करना है तो मर्दाना का माफी, आप इसको जरा FMR को जरा आप इसको एग्जीक्यूट कीजिए। नहीं करना है तो बातें छोड़ दीजिए। Why you should come time and again? Why the BJP MLAs you should go and dance it? अरे चले एयरपोर्ट तो what are you going to do BJP MLAs? Your own words you cannot execute it. It's a failure. मुझे करीम कान दे मसीमु ड्रामा ने नुपा थोक दम ने तो गेरे तो गुनु FMR तो नहीं मांगे खंगे। Are you ready to listen to those the antisocial elements and those underground and other people and the other people who are opposing it? Or we people, we Indian people, we want this FMR be executed. Which one that you love it us? Why you are making us to laugh on you? Tori pun mas se nungaite. Tau ko da tau ro de tau nu ke do ge. Adu watan adu mayam lai MLA biam jago isada airport lai uk nu kai tau dori ba. Noi ministers noi tan thok pi re. Ministry se form to hundre noi hundo ka ta ji no lai ka laga BJP pa flag khara pare chong mu kai tau dori ge noi na. No, you people, no, you are not doing justice. You think first as a Manipuri, I mean the 34 communities, excluding this 𝐍𝐄𝐿 Manipur live lone Manipuris. Nagaland live all the Manipuri labels, Shagil labels, all are Nagas. Meghalaya live all are non-Meghalaya people. They are also in Meghalaya people. Adu khanga dabni. I get dharma tongana chappa. But I am a citizen of Meghalaya, so I should be Meghalaya people. I was in Nagaland for 6 decades, so I was in Nagas. I was more than Manipuris than Nagas because I was working there. Nana thadukpa tanjari, yes, I'm a Manipuri now. When you are in Rome, be a Roman. Manipur the libatar badi Rome wibatar the be a Roman. Manipur libatar the Manipuri don't lay you. 𝐍𝐿 nakune torwid lam henmali togunu nakoi the free na thabani na ashi gashi shi jorokpani natabadi nakoi busu matik chan na masi dandi pi bajaram mani adokoi lengak telengak leitebu chap mani mina hairaga tumin na ta na lehobadi gashi akoi kokta mang phaidarakpani aduni FMR matang toribase nang khaurane khaganura nang yabrane yadabra haina khorumbal lakpase honorable ministers आपने क्यों नहीं सोचा कि तब ये सब बातें जो होंगे आपका बात कभी स्वीकार नहीं करेगी तो फिर अब क्या करोगे अब भारत सरकार आप उधर जाकर अब क्या जवाब देंगे अब गृह मंत्री जी को हम चाहते हैं कि आप FMR इसको अब जो लागू करें आप इसको जरा असलियत में आप लाइए आप कर नहीं सकते आप अभी वापस जाओगे तो फिर आपका आना जाना में तो 2 दिन तो बर्बाद हो गए ये सब नहीं चाहते भारत सरकार करना है तो मर्दाना का माफी आपको इसके एग्जीक्यूट करो नहीं करना मत कीजिएगा लेकिन ये सब बातें बार बार सुनाए जाते हैं कि पेपर में अखबार में आना जाना बातें सुन किसके बातें सुनेंगे जो सच्चाई इंसान है उनकी बातें तो भारत सरकार ने कभी सुना ही नहीं मणिपुरियों को कितने को आपको तो कसाई की तरह काट करके नरसंहार नरबली की भारत सरकार सुना ही नहीं आप अभी FMR के लिए आप इसको जरा आपके फेंसिंग करेंगे ना करूंगा आपका क्या इरादा है आपका क्या इजाजत है आपका क्या अप्रूवल है आपका क्या दया है तो फिर न दो ड्रामा दो बहुत देखे हमने भारत सरकार We have no trust on you, भारत सरकार क्योंकि आपने कभी आपका जुबानी का पक्का आपने कभी अपने रखे ही नहीं तो फिर हम कहेंगे कि आप बिल्कुल आप हमारे बातों को आपको कोई विश्वास ही नहीं आपका बातों के ऊपर तो इसलिए ना हम नहीं चाहते कि आप आए जाए आप करो जो कुछ भी करो और झूठी बातें मत कहिएगा करना कीजिएगा नहीं करना मत कीजिएगा महावी थमजेगे
थागचरी पाबुंग मथंग लाक्चगे MHA Ministry of Home Affairs na sinduna tha asigi mangada Delhi da pangthokhiba maitai amasung 𝐍𝐄𝐿 gi CSO Civil Society Organization gi miuching yauna nakal ahungi wari sanabada saruk yakhiba 𝐍𝐄𝐿 Council gi mihuching na ngasi kangpokpida thungdabada go to Committee on Tribal Unity na tarang na okre amasung 𝐍𝐄𝐿 furuk gi CSO sing MLA sing UPF United People's Front 𝐍𝐄𝐖𝐒 National Organization amadi 𝐍𝐄𝐖𝐒 na separate administration phangdri pawba punna lepminanaba warep lowkhre haiba pawam khadang yauri pabung mamangda aikhogi Ministry of Home Affairs na sinduna aikhogi maitai gi su civil society amasu kuki jogi civil society sing punduna wari sanakhrabani adubu hauzik aikhogi resolution di ahanbagi oina lakhide phangkide wari sanabadugi oina adubu kuki jogi site tagidi koigi separate administration phangdri pawba punna lepminagani haiba wafamduni pabungi oiba haibadi resolution si phangani na khanbra wari sanaraga pabungi oiba mot kari thammi
Tajida akhoi manipur haibase akhoi se lamjin tanabase matam punung te ngakta mini manga tarang ngairaga huisel khonga gyan tana chen bai se khoi tomina daba aina han chen da wajade aina han ngamu da madu sanaba khonaba tedi yamna phei adugumba yamna thoyak changjang to adu asigu matang da leipak machet ta na kairak pangasi chahi ani pharak pada akoi bu khong khut pullaga thamna khotna tawri se matang da manipur haibe se pungtum tumna lori akoi se akoi sagai se mi ona khandar mina tin kang dona khallaba largely be illegal immigrants narco terrorists kang bu singchena moina haiba ta ngakta oni jaba bharat sarkar na tumin na tai haibe se chahi ani changna oi chahi ni phaling phang changna in a time and again engo da su kayam na telephone to mi su yawi nangido nang hari do mod kata kan to ne khar handau ne khod ne ai ka do to ai handau do no chum hai bo haina ai hai gi and I will continue to say and I will fight it for justice ngasi chin ku ki jo na makoi ne delhi de chatlaga makoi this separate administration phangdri babu punna lemina ba whatever low gre haire aina thangden jo da press statement amada thangden jo da manipur gi su mi manga taruk chatna khotna amko ga folks se mi kharaga su chatna khotna wari sanaru kolni tor okay fine kana na makoi bu nominate tawi group kaya na makoi bi sagul kai karim ta khangde karamain to na moi ge thangner no bharat sarkar ge karamba group laktana makoi bu moithem to no puri no tori no khot masi asuk chaw group issue siga aina khanjabada torom masu jai makoi khangde ko moi chelo ro moi phai adu makoi asoiba ason makada su koi postmortem to do sunya yate maramdi mas araibe thabung natte first thing aina hangjabadi aina khangjani mide manipur prajara tamage masigi issue tarak patanja do chin ki jo terrorist ki di moi ki country ati de leiba country de punamaksu all the international fora da leiba punamaksu makoi di chap managi Assam dani khangde Tripura dani khangli Bangladesh dani khangde UK khangde America dani khangde Manipur dani khang completely chin ki jo terrorist highway punamakse ama khaktang makoi tamsi ba phattaba thabak tawrisi tamsi moi mot manaba khade tamsi ba ke de ge makoi se masana khangi ben moi se terrorist ngakte ni makoi se illegal me khangna makoi ne chasalak tan moi na khoi khongpang na netha da ngachi chei ni thammi be sigi matang da challi riba kangbu sing na kari condition na thambiram ge without any condition karamain tong chatpani no adu koi khangde condition kari thammuri no adu khangde chatpat chatri mamang da bharat sarkar da highway gibra dom no se condition hana national highway 37 national highway 2 ta natana manipur da leiriba mayam punamak ki mafam punamak ta koi free flow oina thamoi sengna manipur lega ki manung da liba punamul ne free no koi chatpa yaba gi hana freedom do oina leheng da bani hana adi matu no ka wari sagani no tum highway gibra highway da khangde ko noi de loin to bang ak tanina adu no koi ne people statement ko koi hangning moi am citizen am oina Manipur de level look punamak intellectual level punamak high press statement ko loin tanar bi oi kadai ho tanar mi kana unanu but no koi ne khange adu no koi ne kari condition thambiram ge without any conditions thamdana karamain tor chatpiri no masi condition ko hangjage aina lalaga even hoi punishment pu aina landar manipur pajam am no koi kari no khudo mithindage kari tamak to without consultation and without any conditions to the government of India the why they should go chin ki zone koi bi tandhoga moina government of India the moni chin ki zone mase condition ani thame akhoi ni masi discussion tawring da akhoi peace ki process so called peace process tawring tanja da meti community mayam akhoi gi chingda liba mayam khoi area changbu yaroi haidana tin kang na laga khoi bi khong de chi erga moina khoi bi nam chatpa yaro na khoi bi dhamki tawna thammi akhoi chatpi ruba khoi gi mayam khoi gi pukchen chawba mayam tobang mayam orangmani khali adu nakoi de kari thambiram gam khoi da अतो प्रेस स्टेटमेंट मदद अइना लानु खिबरा माना फजना कंतो बिरा हाइबदा अखोई चटलर येंगुबनी मखोई करगे तौरी करगे डिमांड चटलर येंगुई वानते we wanted you that what guaranteed what the government of India has guaranteed you and what did you demand कदोइनो हाने चकडोरी बसे चटप तारबस कंडीशन अनि सिमसी हाने मूवमेंट फ्री मूवमेंट हाने तहल्लो अदुगी मणिपुर द लिबे चिंग द तारी पुनमक मणिपुर की तमक मणिपुरी पुनम लोन चकडबनी who the hell dare to stop us masi condition bharat sarkar na hani a conducive atmosphere haibu wahido masi han free oina lehelu adoke what is shagne haibu wahise haibi gibra haibi debra haidam hiram bidru tar you are wrong manipur bi hafte chale representative oin chalaga ching amuki chin ku ki jona laga mone thoin mona haju ongal akoi da hairi ne akoi na what is shanari tanja da meti mem akoi gi lam de chap mokoi lam de kanano चटपी मैम पुनमुद अखोई तकपीयू अखोई खंगद्रबनीना अखोई अदरोम तकपीयू कनानो मखोई लमैसे कनानो मखोइना कोई खोंगी खाद अखोई नेथर थमगदब अखोइना मोइनो मोइनो ओंखलग मखोई लमने कोई नते हेन लोगदोरीरा नखोई चटपी मैम पुन नखोई हाइबियू नखोई करी कंडीशन थबिरम के विदाउट एनी कंडीशन चटफम थोकते हैबिसबसे कल्ली मणिपुर प्रजा मैम यू कम अप नाउ यू से दैट अइना हरिसन लालग यू क्रुसिफाई मी अदो अइना हरिसन लांद्रगा all you CSOs, all you intellectual, all you Manipur Deliver Prajamya, why you don't open your mouth now? Chaluvision, Toromi, Paikoli, but what condition you made earlier? SIB Mikara, Tauraga, IB Mikara, Tornoi, Brainwash, Tornoi Chalira, Kanakana Chali, with the Jadi SIB, Impali Jobra, Jodubra, Kangi Munna, Agi, Aina Tormatong, and Mother, it is a Hajar Roy. At the Karit on the Manipur Prajamya, about the Sakangok Day. अमत से को तातुक तसिन तोब तो खनो नि तोरम ये खन तोरम से जाय अते without having any foundation without any conditions भारत सरकार नो सर खला होय हानि की 37 national highway and national highway 2 and manipur manung da koi free one chat pa yabagi masi atmosphere sa hana no lehelu then only will come natar de khla hoy na hairam modi kyam phajigi de do hairam modi jay paper na show idar na koi na haibado moina lokshan mangam dadra moni idabra adu di khangdre अदुगो तौरी से यम ड्रामा मालीदा अदुगो चीन को की जो टेररिस्ट लागा थोई न कुले धमकी तौरा हाइरी ने कोई सेपरेट एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन और यूनियन टेरिटरी पी देबो कोई वासुंसा सनरोय ने हाइरी वंगांग से ताकपदे वेयर डू यू स्टैंड मणिपुर द प्रजा मैम आई लिव इट टू यू नाउ अकोई सबो करिनो तौरी सबो खोइबो तुंगने चपी दुर मैम लाइले सहिबो मैम इंटेलेक्चुअल मैम थिंक 100 times you are playing with the fire don't take it light masi madur mangoloiba oisanu adu there is a less chance adun masi tawiganu yan mun khandabiu akoi undermine to bunate you are big people you are educated people but what did you expose it there and what did you play drama there akoi tagudu demand government of India the akoi demand to the demand means it's a threaten tagudum najiti akoi mi mem siba khotpa lon lohin garaga adu akoi ne chala amuk se khon nonjabai tagidori raba no, that theory is not at all. We agree on that. According to shock money, we are victim in our own land. We are victim. We are a foreign nation. How can we become a victim? Rather than this, the Chin Kuki Jo terrorists, the illegal immigrants, Bharat Sarkar na sahai, most illegal immigrants ni ye to बहुत बड़ा समस्या है ना. हम minister मसा मना हाई गिवनी है. अदम मुकोरी से चंगा गुने नोंजबा. ये जुम्मन से लागे attack तोबा. ये मीम से हाथों पीबा. ये मीम हम से ये जुम्मन हाथों को तंतु को मुकम IDPS ता मुझे इंजल लगा. वारी सनने को चली बस वो कर्म ground चली नो. कनाना था दर बीर नो. कदो भी चली नो. करी मधु पोरक के नतना चुमने तो चप्पे याबरने से वो कर माहित होना कोई खंग दे नहीं फजन तरुंगने कले but it seems that you are not going to carry any fruit तावदी काय अकोई ना हाई के दो वही अकोई ना धमकी तो ना हाई के दो बनी दिल्ली चले मुकोई के दो भी तक दो मुझे न खोलो मुझे नो you must say that no this be done national highway पुनः मुझे लोग थोक दो बनी कोई free चलन दो बनी मणिपुर तो free नो कोई लेहंगे दो बनी it is our state भारत सरकार has no accessibility you have no rights to interfere हाई वही से हाई के दो बनी और कनांग खनी नोही करी तुम कोई खंग दे दो नोही तो बुंगा मुंगा तनी अकोई दे लाइरी करे शुत नहीं तमोबा but people are not having a good opinion मनम दे जो करी तो कोई खंग दे और तो बिताव नुपा थोंग तो बितावा without any condition I advise you not to go not the chin cookie jo the mokung pani chat pagi mo unabui bhap ta tar it is better not to go and discuss hai bi sam tang ai tham ji ga you think 100 times na koi bi chakno have not do it well but you are playing with the fire it is not a joke it is not a magic it is real fire that you are going to catch it either you douse the fire or you put more foil in the fire and let the fire be burned haibidu ani smakte thamjege ai
pabung thaga chari aroi bada lakjage ai khoigi Myanmar da military junta na lengak pai khraba matung da chatharakpa miot minai khangba ngamdraduna Mizoram da lanjena rakhiba refugees singna ka henba thabak thauram kaya chatharakpadagi Mizoram gi miyam gi marakta saunaba amadi refugees singbu makoina leiriba camp tagi hendokta ba khangan kre haba wafamni pabung Mizoram na khoi matam amada pambom tingkhiba Myanmar refugees singna ka henba thabak thawong kaya chatharakpadagi khoi saunaba yaurakpaduni leiriba isu sida pabung kari habini
jemju tajida chin kuki jot haibese angak pasagini makoy sa maramdam laitaba migi maramdam dalaga moina mullaga chin kuki josigi moigi state ma same gibani 1986 ta diko on maje Rajiv Gandhi ko leyingeda Assam ge piktaba district ma leram Lusai Hill kawi madigi state ma on gibani state ma on gibase ngasi moi country ma on ge ni kana torok pani masi puna mo sa Bharat Sarkar ki IB ki role SIB ki role radi ki ro ki moi loide khangi bani khangna Bharat Sarkar na thadok pani war bari ka season na ba adikar main to ko chin ku ki jo na ji tel le film siga laldoma sina hana leram joram thanga ka lerami ai brigadier T Silo mamang the chief minister wanami anwi brigadier ai mak matam khar se lerami ai leram se ai khangi karma mo na mo they are very good people lalthan haula then again brigadier T Silo they are thorough gentlemen mukoi di mana de mo chief minister or money hajil le ribu sanction kra mai to ge habeda mukoi se chin kuki jogi mogi country ma shame ge mogi pandam ne muche country ma shame ge pandam se Bharat Sarkar what you gain it your internal sources your IBs and subsidiary intelligence bureau and your special bureau minute to minute you are being fed the informations what did you gain it rather than destroy the whole Manipur and the whole northeast nasana sanabu polni hajik laldoma man hairi base refugee puna mase moina loina pusalak pun joram thangal leri matam na so hai Bharat Sarkar na hai joram thanga da nangna pusali mayam puna makse masi mi she henman gare moje no they are my blood they are my brothers they are my brethren mohi mayam do ko tandok pang moy mokoi da koi laik tambigani mokoi da piron pigani chaba thakagani Bharat Sarkar rather you sanction more and more money hai yong tourism Bharat Sarkar why you remain silent you had been sanctioning the money for these people to groom up अभी तो अपना पाव अपने कुल्हाड़ से आपको काट रहे हैं अभी हजित मसान तोबु फोलनी ना मसान मुझे ड्रग जोंझले मदिगी मोने फत थबक तौजले मिजोराम तो लेइबा मियुसिंग अफोबसिंग जे मोने उचा तो मोने जे मोय मिजो कंट्री सेम दे कन तौरुबा अदि लाइबा मियुसिंग जे हेंजलकपा मोय आदे पोरे पोचेशन होने जोंथोरकपा ड्रग पोरकपा करी तोरपा सब हेंजलकपा तिंग सिमो लेबम लेकन तौबनी असिपुर भारत सरकार न तहन बनी हानदी खंगी बने भारत सरकार हानदी तौबुया दे चंगबुया दे हाइ मोने फ्री ओने थाबा भारत सरकार की dubious policies double policies amal layin undercover I say undercover ama open channel and secret channel covered and overt channel lady mona sanabu game ngatan Bharat Sarkar na I say noina sanabu game ne nasana noina sanda noina thang janjan tabane ठीक है मिजोरम दनंग तौनिंग बद तो मणिपुर तो why it should be affected adi watani मोने तौबसे मोने थाकप चाब कोटप लोने लोइन तौबनी लोने तौर मणिपुर लोइन थाजलकपनी असम न थाजलकपनी मदि अति मफरन से थाजन मनी बांग्लादेश भारी दले हौरी मणिपुर से ख्वाजे सब स्टेट न लोने मथंग फेरजोल रोम दिगे बाबे बॉर्डर थाजल जिरी रोम थाजलकनी असोने कोरे हाफलोंग रोम थाजलकनी तौर तो इनर लाइन परमिट सॉरी आई वोट आइडेंटिटी कार्ड सेम गनी हिंदी खरा ताकने इंग्लिश खरा ताकने अदि इलेक्टोरल फोटो आइडेंटिटी कार्ड मिजोरम लोने सेम गनी तौर थाजलकपने मसे मणिपुर से कोने सोलहौबा जिंगहौदबा भारत सरकार ने फ्रीडम होने पीबा तो हईते भारत सरकार नसाना तौबने नसाई पाप नंगने फंगबताबा भारत सरकार नकोने लालदोमा बु सिजनबनी नकोने ngarang नाम तसे कोई एमपी के राज्यसभा दे काबा करी बनलेन हाइब्र करी नोम नुपा म से थादर नोइना म्यांमार दा थारी Noin undercover the no what is Sanabo Kolamatorga, Myanmar, the Lamkar Machid, either Tinbajagadra, or the Manipuruna Kato, Noina, Chin Kuki Jo Makar, Tadagetaromba, a single no dubious policy, Bharat Sarkar Nukato, the Kushanga Yanik Bene. Manipur Prajam Kuli, Bokaka Sika. I could learn tongue pipe in the throat to protect our lives. What authority government of India has got who cannot secure our lives? I don't know, no way surrender to the land gravity. Excellency, they hang a Nasin people ordered to the Tamdali upon the Nomilan surrender Taude, like Chingal lady, but this notorious people with the lady were very sophisticated arms. M16, M14, M25 lady, Mark Mayam lady, a very dreaded arms, lady Punamak Punamas, Amatas surrender Taude, Governor Mawasi Logdere, Bharat Sarkar Logdere, only Meti Dangata on the Tobutari. This dubious policy should not be applied, Governor of India. There should be one law in one country. There cannot be two laws, there cannot be separate laws. For the Mijos are the one law, and the Kukis are the one law, Manipuris are one law, Nagas are the one law. No, there should be only one law. And Mr. Bharat Sarkar, it's ridiculous on your part. Your order is not being complied. Adu matakta akoi mi chalu ribasingshina represent tawrisingshina akoi the conditions jauna hanati chatri mamang tawgadabni akoi chalo na koida akoi conditions here no clear to go in written then will go tawde kana kan IBG officers karna mukoi wakra thema kol haire to ko ai khangi chali bami sigai singse IBG officers majority Maharashtra digi mosi jaw kon chali ai khangi this a procedure we did it many times adubu suk chawrum issue the Manipur whole Manipur se meeting to convent to Birandravdi Tormodi camp Hajagato. A Koishumaina Kore, see Matang Karito Sige, Mayamdi could be advice of the Pibu, Pautak Pibu, a quick delete Kari Hayuge, Garmain Town to Sika Hajabaja Karam to Pondo Piram Dana, quietly and discreetly Chalur Budo, Adum Nakangi, Karito Birakani, Karito Bini Haidam. But we are here to discuss the matter because you are playing this game. Apabu oyu, Mangoloyu, the Mangoloyu we discuss merit and demerits to Gonito. Because this is not a matter of joke, this is a concern of our whole state and the whole community, whole Manipur community, whole Manipuri community, whole Manipur community. We have a serious concern with this. And we cannot just see that people you go and come back and meeting. No, these are all completely futile. No yan conditions and thamo. Ulta the Tauraka, Chin Kuki, terrorism la condition and Tamini. No meeting, no Yamata, what is name the Topo. What is ridiculous? And what our people and what the government have replied so far? Zero. Our hero has become a zero. We should be a hero. Tobutarabadi. At the Mamita Tilamagam, Home Minister Mamita Tilawangangunike. What is this condition? We want these two conditions. Mashihan Machitobuna Sermatun Kobirakano. High Wahidum, Haviram, the court knows, Haviram, the Nupate, Havidra, the Canano, Koi Carino, Adom, the Ishagi size standard, the Musana, the come with them Tambiro, have something. But don't play fun and don't play with the fire. Manipur, Chobo down Lobiri, Mongoloyo. A koi know the high request, Mongoloyo. But there is a proper way. There is a several channel. You have to tie up. You have to seek advice. You have to seek their support. Advice, but with Taulo Mayam Sagut Sikadoge, Hivison they Tamjaki.
Tagatari Pabu, Pabungi Chilabamatam Gao, Kaito Pidana, Taramasibu Mapung Pan Bibagidamagda, Pamungu, Hainanga later the Tagatari. Matangasida news analysis, Lucindere, Bidiang Tabiba, Punamapuso, Amokahana, Tagatari.